Welcome to ZJD Family Farms' final video submission. This is a view of the entire garden. In our garden, we have 5 crops shown: side, sweet pepper, shadow benny, tomatoes, and paprika. We use different materials for our garden, such as brick and plastic pots. Our garden falls under the large kitchen category. It is 80 square foot. We planted in a grow box of brick. Plot size 27 square foot. Containers used 2 plastic, size of plot 6 square foot. Pick 3 sweet peppers used for home and ZJD family. Plot size 16 square foot. For our shadow benny, we used a wooden grow box which contained topsoil, manure, and compost. Our fertilizers: feather, kelp, steam bone meal. It applied as 1 teaspoon or 5 ml per plant hole. The pests observed are slugs. The method of control are physical removal. Yield 5 bundles, weight 1 pound per bundle. They were shared amongst family at home. Our size is a variety gallon. Plot size 27 square feet. We use topsoil mix with manure and peat moss. Before planting, we nourish the hole with feather meal, kelp meal, steam bone meal, and earthworm castings. Throughout the garden, our major pests were slugs, which we use sawdust and leaves to mulch. We had a bountiful yield of 6 large bundles weighing 2 pounds each.